Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use mgx.dev. First, open the mgx.dev website on your browser. On the home page, you will see the prompt box. Here, you can give your prompt to build your ideas. Now, enter any prompt that you want to generate. For demonstration, I have given it a prompt to generate my link hub profile. After that, hit the arrow icon to send it. It will start working on it, and it can take a few minutes. In a few minutes, it will show you the coding on your screen. It will show you your link hub profile on your screen. Scroll down to completely visit it. Let's talk about its pricing. The free plan costs $0 per month. The Pro plan costs $15.08 per month. The Max plan costs $79 per month. You can get these plans to get all the access to the features of mgx.dev. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.